Good question. I think he only has one.
Okay, here we go. 69 down in the lead. Oh, he was just pushed now. Looks like 61 got the lead now. Banging and clanging down, boys. 6 on a second. 5 third.
Oh God!
Got a good file up there in turn 2. Trying to get one going straight.
Oh, no, he's not. There you go, Adam. There you
Sorry, got out there. I don't know what that is. An old Pontiac. That's a huge car right there. I don't know what it is.
Where the heck is he?
Whoa.
Right here. Good, he's doing good.
I think 61 car is the first race he's ever been at the Pagoda.
No, I don't think so.
It's the first time the car was in a race.
Good. 61 looks like he got some clean sound on that.
You hear them saying all good things.
Is that good?
That's it.
Like we're halfway. Oh, red flag.
We got a red flag. We got trouble in the front stretch here.
I'm having trouble keeping him in view. That pole's right in front of me.
We got an axle sticking out in the yellow car here in turn 4. We got to keep these guys safe.
You don't need all them, man.
Oh my God.
We still got 3 more wheels.
Here we go.
Where is he?
Right in the back, coming around turn 3.
If you want to go out in front. We got somebody burning off the front. There you go. Guess he got nothing to lose. He's tired of being in the puddle there. Needs something to do.
Hey, what's a junk car race without a swamp there in turn 1? I think that's a fan favorite.
I keep losing him in the smoke.
He's doing awesome. What?
I keep losing him in the smoke.
He's like sailing through.
5 out.
Right out of the way.
Here comes the white flag. Signifying 1 lap to go.
Okay, Bugs, let's go.
Yeah, do it fun.
Okay, victory lap.
There's the checkered flag from there.
Woo!
The 75 from Williamstown.
Woo!
6 from Maga. Dan Higgins. The 77 car from Westchester. Mark Burkholder. Right, the 78 car from Brooksville. Steve Collins. The 79 from Mountown. And Gonzalez. Rounding out our 10-car field race number 8. The 8 car from Ready. Mary Woodville.
Holy smokes!
Oh, yeah!
get the flag. Wait a minute, I want to get the flag. Woohoo!
You guys see anything?
What's up, Aaron? Your daddy won. Your daddy won.
You throw this thing around nice.
Okay,
Hold on, sit there.
Aaron.
Car was running beautiful, man.
Aaron, let me see you with the steering wheel. Watch it, race. Watch it.
Hold the flag.
Okay, hold the flag. Woo! Okay, let me see you steer the car. Steer the car.
That was great.
You steer the car. Let me see you steer the car. Steer it. That's it. It's running. Steer it. Drive it. Rum rum.